Well, why are you videoing me?
I saw you were holding a camera, so I pulled my camera out.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Dude, what's up?
Why is yours so much bigger than mine?
I hear that a lot.
Yeah, I don't.
That sounds really gay.
I know.
I'm not gay. Anyways. Why are you videoing me?
Bro, because I was going to ask if you got to do a pool in Doug's Mustang
I
yet.
came to grab this camera so that way I can get my reaction on video.
Ah, hell yeah. I want to see if you have the same reaction I did.
What was your reaction? Damn, your hands are moist.
Yeah, I've been working and they sweat a lot.
Is this how we're gonna communicate from now on?
I mean, I don't know.
Just go everywhere.
This is for my video. That's why I'm recording.
I feel like Street Speed and
Send it.
YouTube or Send It Steve. Yeah, they just walk up and they're like, dude,
bro,
what's up, bro?
Whoa, man.
Whoa, dude.
Yo, this is cool.
Dog, you ready to go race?
Dude, dope. Wow.
Bro.
Wow, dude.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas, time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
I already know how this race is gonna go. The only way I have a chance of even staying on camera is by getting the jump. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna jump, but I might jump. You're fucking lying! There's no way. I don't believe that. He's trolling me. Yeah, after you pulled by, I was like, that motherfucker, I know what he's doing. There's no way I just won that race. It's all right. I got more weight I can take out. We'll race again later.
Can I get a few more runs in on the way?
Yeah, we can do some more. Well, oil pressure's still at 12 and 13 pounds at idle, so I guess it's fine. I'll go with it. We'll just say it's good. What is that knocking? I don't know. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna ignore the noises. It's a noisy car, it's gutted. I might just be hearing normal stuff. Whatever. We'll go with it. I can hear it. Listen. That is not normal. That sounds like a rod. It sounds straight up like a rod. Every single car in this group is braking. Poe's car is down. He didn't, actually, yeah, he did break that. This car was down. Probably gonna go down again. Satan's down. Lucifer is down. You can't tell me that's not knocking. That is definitely knocking. Gavin, you man. Oh.
My guess originally was maybe a transmission issue, but I'm starting to think that I was wrong. It's not the transmission. I just took my nice and handy screwdriver here, stuck it up to the timing cover, put it at the top right here and put your ear up to it. Honestly, like I can feel it in my hand right now. The engine's knocking. I'm gonna change the oil soon, but oh, I can definitely feel it down here. You don't even have to put your ear up to it. You can just feel it in the screwdriver, but oh, listen to this. I'm gonna rev it real quick like I was earlier. Oh, 12 pounds. Yeah, oil pressure's getting down there. We must have spun a rod bearing. But listen to this. That's real nice.
Crank her.
Forgot that doesn't work.
Crank her up.
I'm going to.
Crank your engine.
Okay. It's gonna be loud.
Do it, bitch.
I don't hear any knocking yet, though. It's got like 70 pounds of oil pressure right now. Yeah, sounds good. All right, so some time has passed. The idle oil pressure should be 14 pounds, going between 11 and 12 PSI, so I think it's low enough. We'll go ahead and cut it there. I do believe we may have a spun rod bearing. It's supposed to be at 14 PSI. You know what it's at? 11. Yeah, it's a little bit off. Think you can hold a light for me so I can see if there's any sparkle in this?
Sure thing, Dad.
I'm good on this side.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yep, go. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, we got a lot of metal on this thing.
Damn, it's supposed to be no shave November. That's a lot of shavings.
We definitely got a lot of metal shavings compared to what we did last time. But on the bright side, if I go to pull the engine, that means this time I can put it all back together and I know what to fix, because last time I had oil leaks. There's a spider here. Get the hell out of here.
Oh, dude, we were fucking friends.
You weren't friends with that spider.
Yeah,
What's...
I was talking to him over here, and then he was like, hey, and he like lifted a leg, like he waved at me, and then you just fucking killed him.
What was his name?
I hadn't got to that part yet.
Oh, so you're friends?
We were going to be.
I guess it's safe to assume that this engine is toast. That leaves me to believe that we do in fact have a spun bearing.
Oh, you talking about?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of shiny stuff.
I mean, I've definitely seen worse, but it looks like
It's not as bad as it was last time for sure, but last time I also welded the crank.
I'll drop the oil pan and just take a look at it.
That's what I was gonna do next. All that's left to do before we just assume things are blown up, which is already what we're doing. I'm gonna drop the lower oil pan and see what it looks like in there. Here we go. Where's the fucking, oh, here it is. You ready, boy? Let's see if we can get this thing off.
Daddy, I'm scared.
You scared? What you scared of, pussy? All right, this is gonna be tough. I forgot how hard it is to get these oil pans off. Come on, get off of there. Motherfucker. I'm gonna just get up on this side, straddle this stone. I don't know if I'll be able to get this. That's tough. This is really hard. I don't know how to get to this. Oh, wait. How do I get this off?
You need a smaller one?
This is the smallest one I got. It's just tough. This shit does not want to come off.
Here, Doug. Need to collect a pubic sample, sir?
No, sir, please no.
Should I cut a
No.
cut a beard hair off? With
Please,
this?
please no.
I just want to try it.
Not right now.
Sure.
Yeah, please no. Please.
You got this.
Please don't put that near me.
Hold still.
Please.
Damn, don't move.
No.
Stick this
I'll figure it out more. I don't think that worked out well. I can try it in a second though. This oil pan does not want to come off. Is it going in? Oh! I can hear it. It sounds like vagina.
Ugh.
Where'd that pry bar go? All right, let me put, now that we got that seal broken, I'll pull this out. No, I really wasn't planning on pulling the oil pan tonight, I'll be honest. There it is. Oh God, this doesn't want to come off now. Come on. Oh, sounds delicious. Oh, that's oil. So much oil. That's all over my hand.
Is it hot?
I didn't expect there to be that much. Thanks, man.
You're welcome, man.
Let's look in this thing.
Ah! Oh, that's a lot of bearing. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks like fish food.
All that, and then fish food's a great way to put it. We have fish food in the oil. Yeah, that bearing is toast.
Oh, now you know for sure.
God, look at all that. That is a single rod bearing.
All of it right there.
Yep.
Looks like you went panning for gold, baby.
Yeah.
And you found it.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video so I can afford to get more engine parts. I'll see you next time. Woo!
We was chillin' in the stall, making cries, man. Young kids still posting in the ain't like it. No shady boys back in the motherfucker. Banging on your speaker, hanging on your speaker. But something just to get in my head. When it's over, roll over, no toaster. Yo, soldier, I told young back whenever the storm is over. Send it back in the morning if they wanna feel the closure. No closure, nothing on that's like no such a shit. Watch the time up, take it to the dojo, roll up my dojo, sticky fingers at the door, bro, Jehovah. Wait, this sadistic shit will come again next time I take my belt down. You bitch, you woo! Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Woo! Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Woo! Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. I'm alive, the right shit. Big ass houses, big ass car, don't matter when you load up my wood like intro my wood like a peasant, 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 peasant. Burn up, get find that shit. Praise God, hallelujah. I'm still the breath. At war, oh my God, just burn up, get back that shit. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. When there's a fuck special out for the parent show, they going everybody second at the liquor zone. This is petty doing that petty shit. Bring the piece of the knife in my hand, take my piece like a gun in my hand. Come quick to the petty shit. Man, I'm the gun, sit burn. Block what you think and block what you heard. I get betrayed, you can keep the praise. And all of that fuck shit, need to get away. Still ain't got your brain. The record-minded people, I thought I knew better. Wish I knew better, should have known better. Wish that I was better at dealing with the bang, with the bang, motherfuckers. Guess I'm too real. With the dogs who were riding on the bars, suicide, paranoid, we would die. You should know it never lies. Put on with the racks, take a shot. Can you hear me out there? Everybody gonna move really, 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 really slow. Left, right, left, right, super slow. Left, right. Let's only function over here. Let's go. This is the first time we're doing this on tour. Okay. Perfectly fine. That's Sydney.